That brings us the last segment of this marathon, three and a half hour of happiness workshop. This is segment number 20. I'm Dr. Aajay Shah. Please watch segment 1 to 19 in a row on YouTube, and let's start with segment 20. So where are we going with as an individual and as a society for well-being? I sincerely think this is, again, my reflection of this whole seminar, of my reflection of 200 hours of watching YouTube videos, my reflection of reading about 30 books, my reflection of living 57 years of life, my reflection of living 35 years in America. So my reflection is future of well-being is good. As a world, as a country, as a community, we are doing better in well-being. One day, our happiness will become the main currency, not the dollar, not the rupee, not the yen, not the pound. One day, happiness will become a main currency. One day, a nation will be ranked with PERMA index, not the GDP. One day, nations will be ranked by PERMA index, how happy the nation is, how not rich the nation is. Like industrial revolution, like internet and digital revolution, one day there will be happiness revolution. I see the happiness revolution is already happening. One day, in starting the elementary school, in high school, in graduate school, in postgraduate school, PERMA will be taught all steps of the way. PERMA will be taught from the first day in our life. One day there will be happiness coaches, just like personal trainers. And those happiness coaches will be less expensive than psychologists. I must say the PERMA score is increasing for the last 2,500 years. To give you an example, 2,500 years ago, violent death was 1 in 10 for a male. For a male, 2,500 years ago, violent death chance was 1 in 10. 1 in 10, 10%. Now the violent death for male has gone now to 1 in 300. So we definitely are getting happier. My sincere hope and goal that we will measure the PERMA score of every person in the world and track it monthly. Obviously, it's going to take a lot of deliberate practice, a lot of efforts individually and as a society to be happy. But one day, world will soon be a happy place. So again, let's all work together. You can see a great slide for the people who are not able to see the slide. Let's all of us work together to make this world a happy place. So what do? I try my best to walk the talk of this seminar. I try my best. Obviously, I'm human. Sometimes I fail, but I pick up where I fail and try to make it the better next time to be happy. I also try to help my friends, my family, my followers, how they can be happy. As you saw, my PERMA score is high and I'm an optimist. Obviously, I can be always happier and I try my best. I try to use my signature strengths every day. And I try to have a list of positive and negative emotions, and I try to be as positive as I can. So why I'm always happy, you can see a great slide, hopefully on YouTube, on Facebook. Whenever I'm with my wife, Jayshree, this is the reason I'm in flow. This is why I'm always happy. You can see the smile on both of our face. So there's a great quote by Merle Haggard. 2 minutes left on this seminar. And it says, I'm happier because I made up my mind to be that way. So again, I, at a personal level myself, I have made up my mind to be happier always. I have made up that mind. So what is your homework? Your homework is very important. Just like a good teacher, good professor gives you a homework, this is your homework. Take your PERMA test. Again, PERMA, positive emotions, engagement, relationship, meaning and purpose and achievement. Take your PERMA test ASAP and track it monthly. Take your VIA character test ASAP and see where you stand and how you can use your signature strength every day. Start a gratitude journal today. Start a happiness journal. Exercise every day, eat healthy, sleep 7 to 8 hours, meditate. Read books on happiness, watch YouTube videos, watch my video again and again. Make a habit every morning, waking up, what your purpose is. Take every night a habit of asking what went well. Have a strong connections. Make someone happy this week. Be in the flow as much as possible and use the social media wisely. Again, I end this seminar with a great quote from Aristotle. I repeat this quote again. I said it in the beginning, and I repeat again now at this stage. Happiness is the meaning and the purpose of life, the whole aim, the only thing, the whole aim, and the end of human existence. Everything, in my opinion, is happiness. So I wish you the best to be lifelong happy. I wish you the best to be lifelong happy and healthy. Have the best well-being, and flourish rest of your life. And again, you stayed with me for almost 3.5 hours. You stayed with me 3.5 hours. So time to be happy. There's a great slide. Hopefully all of you can see it on Facebook, on YouTube. It's time to be happy. Let's all of us be happy. Thank you again. Have a great afternoon, great evening. Be safe. Wash your hands with this COVID-19 crisis. Wear your mask when you go out. Keep a social distance and not worry, we will be fine. We all will be fine. We are together in this journey. I'm your friend. We all are friends. Let's grow together. Let's work together. Let's be happy together. Thank you. Again, thank you. This is Dr. Aajay Shah again. We are on Facebook. We are on YouTube. We are on all the social media. Invite your friends, like all our social media. I take a great pride. I take a lot of efforts. I spend 2 hours. Our social media director, social media person, Hannah, spends, I think, 24 hours a day on this movement. I make this as my mission. I actually sleep, breathe, eat, shower. I do drive. I do everything to promote this healthy lifestyle movement. I've been board certified in lifestyle medicine now. I essentially ask all of you to join this movement. Bring your friends, bring your family members, like our Facebook page, invite your friends. There's an invite button on your Facebook. When you go to our page, there's a way of inviting all your friends. Just in one simple stroke, you can just press that invite all friends, and all your friends will be invited to our Facebook page. So go to my Facebook page on your Facebook, on your phone or your computer. There's a button on that page, invite friends, and select all friends and invite all your friends, and go ahead and join this movement. Thank you again for staying with me for the last 3.5 hours. This will be on YouTube as a one large seminar. This will be also in segments. So watch in segments, but if you are free and if you have 3-4 hours to enjoy, watch the segments in a row. Again, thank you and stay blessed. Wish you the best. Thank you.